Hi friends, from today onwards, I will share AutoCAD 2024 full tutorials in Hindi and English also. If you are a beginner and or a mid-level engineer of AutoCAD, so this video is very helpful for you also guys. So let's start the AutoCAD 2024 and this video is especially for overview of AutoCAD. Let's get started. After open the software, you will see the open window of software. This is an interface of AutoCAD 2024. You will see the recent file here and open tab and new tab. Open for previous any saved items, new for any new item. And these things are for online support. Basically, you can use these things like what's new, help online, AutoCAD web, AutoCAD mobile app. But these things you can use when you have software license. Okay, so you need to purchase AutoCAD before applying these things or seeing these things like AutoCAD mobile app and AutoCAD web app. So here you can see the plus button and you can open the new file from here also. And the shortcut key is Control plus N. And after that, you will see this window. You can simply click on ACAD file and the new page in front of you. This is the workspace for AutoCAD 2D drafting and annotations. I'm using 2024 software. Might be there are some addition software in this in comparison to other software like 2018, 2022. Whatever you are using, you can see here top corner on left, that is application button. You can see here I'm marking with yellow button. This is called application button, and yellow highlighted area, this is ribbon area. In this ribbon area, you can find your toolbar. All toolbars are placed here. You can use from this ribbon area. You can select from this ribbon area. There are shortcut key for all ribbon area commands, and this is file tab. You can add on multiple files from here by pressing plus button. While you will select more tabs or more files, you can see the drawing name here like start and drawing 4. And in addition to plus, there will be many files. And this area is called drawing space or working space. And mainly any part you will design at this particular area. Okay. And you can see the XY axis. This is called UCS. There will be Z axis also in 3D, but now this is for just XY axis. You can call UCS, and this is layout tab which is marked by yellow. All right, but now we are moving for model as creating the model now. So layout tab I will discuss you later, and this is command line. Whatever command you will type on the time of working, that will display here. Okay, and this is toggle bar. There are so many commands in toggle bar like unit setting, scale setting, snapping setting, and workspace setting. So one by one we will discuss in upcoming videos. And on the right side of this area is called navigation bar. You can simply click here the pan button, rotate and view, and so many commands are here. And on the top of the sheet, you can see the info bar. You can search any command or help from here. And after signing in software, you will see the name of your login credential from here. And on the left side corner, you can see the quick access bar. From here, you can access so many shortcut commands. If you want to save this file, you can simply press Ctrl S and rename the file and select the path and change the name and save. Let's suppose you want to make this copy. So you can simply press Ctrl Shift plus S and select the path and rename the file. And again, you can save as a copy. But make sure when you are saving a new file, that file will be activate here only. The previous file has saved on that folder only. And here you can see the setting button from where you can change the workspace setting like 3D basics, 3D modeling, and drafting and testing. I am selecting the 3D basics. You can see here the basic tools of 3D basics. All right. And this is very basic commands for 3D basics. And we are selecting now 3D modeling. Here you can see the 3D and 2D commands are less here in the ribbon area. So you can easily use the 3D basics and modeling both from here. So one by one, we will share the video and practice set also for 3D basics and 2D drafting also. I hope you are getting my point that I am making videos for AutoCAD 2024 in English and Hindi also, and 2D and 3D. And after that, I will share the SolidWorks 2023 or 24 tutorials for free only. So let's meet in next video, which is draw toolbar.